Hey sweeties, welcome to a brand new weekly vlog. My name is Faith Mkiza for those who are seeing my face for the first time, and a warm welcome back to my returning subbies. Thank you for always choosing to come back, and I appreciate that so much. I am starting this vlog right here today specifically because I've been invited by Samsung to attend Decorex at the Sandton Convention Center as one of the social media personalities, basically. So I'm going to be getting a VIP access to the event, which I'm so excited for, and I'm definitely bringing you guys along with me, and I hope you guys will enjoy because I'm super excited. I can't wait to actually see all the showcasing of the day. But anyway, without rambling too much and getting overly excited without leaving the house, I just wanted to welcome you guys to a new vlog and basically let you know what's gonna be happening. I do want to just finish up dressing up, just have to put on my shoes, and then after that I'm gonna show you guys the outfit of the day and then we can leave. But I'm so excited. Anyway guys, you know the house rules and drill. Please don't forget to like this video, leave me a comment below, and please don't leave without subscribing if you are new to this channel, and please don't skip any ads. And of course, last but not least, please continue sharing my videos with your friends and family so we can grow and become a big happy family. Thank you so much. I hope you guys will enjoy this vlog. Let me get ready and finish up and then we can leave. So yeah. So I'm all done and I'm ready to leave in a bit. I've got on my Calvin Klein grey jeans and I've got on this 3-color knit jersey. It's off the shoulder. I think it's very cute, flattery, and it's not too cold today, so I think it's perfect. I don't need to actually layer up with like a coat or anything like that. Just gonna carry my Louis Vuitton pouch bag, and I added a strap to it so I can make it a bag basically. And yeah, I think I'm all ready to leave. Got on my ballerina white earrings, and that's about it. I'm ready to leave. I'm gonna catch you guys when I get there, and I'm so excited. Hey sweeties, so I've arrived at the Sandton Convention Center and I'm gonna walk in now and show you guys around. I'm gonna go pick up my access card and then very excited for it. So hey, see you inside.
at all the cash I blew. Take me back to Georgia, back to Atlanta. Funny how present turns past. I might fly Priscilla out just for better. So mesmerized by that ass. The way she moves it, I can tell that she loves me. Nigga can't help but to touch. Smack it round a bit, then sip on some bubbly. Hope I'm not doing too much. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion and change all my flows. Change my approach, no more loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so primal. That's what I am. I'm just a man. Take that pussy, drop it like that. I love it when you move like that. Now turn around and go get back, get back, get back. No, 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 no. Strippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Booty's just no shake like the sellers do. All these on the tools, they not on the tool. Now I'm stuck with two. Look at all the cash I blew. Strippers out in Vegas, New Orleans too. Booty's just no shake like the sellers do. All these on the tools, they not on the tool. Now I'm stuck with two. Look at all the cash I blew. Strange new addictions pick up on the road. Change my opinion, change all my flows. Change my approach, loving these hoes. And when it rains, it pours. Hey, you make me feel so prominent.
Hey sweeties, so I have just gone through the bespoke range just on the other side, and I've just checked out their frame TVs. They are so amazing, actually. Just the color palette of how textured the pictures actually come out is just amazing. So now I want to go up to the other setup that they have upstairs, which is by the gallery. It's called Serpa, if I'm not mistaken, and then I'm going to take you guys around there, and then we're going to just see how they've executed placing all the TV frames and just exhibiting other like local artists' work. And yeah, I'll just fill you guys in on the details when I get to the above. But I was just checking out the digital and technology innovations right now that they do have, and I must say, absolutely
He's probably gonna sin again. Lord, forgive me. Lord, forgive me. Things I don't understand. Sometimes I need to be alone. This don't kill my vibe. 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 I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from. I can feel your energy from 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I got my 2 planets away. I got my music I will share it, but today I'm yelling. This don't kill my vibe. 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 This don't kill my vibe.
Guys, this drink is going in and I love it. So I just made myself a Spanish latte. So it's very easy ingredients like you saw. Start off with 2 tablespoons of condensed milk, and then you layer up with ice cubes, and then add milk, and then just add your shot of espresso, and then you are good to go. Stir it all together, and what a beautiful combo. But anyway, that was basically to showcase my favorite purchase, guys. Like, I'm so happy with this, and I realized, like, yo guys, like, just maturing and adulting makes you so excited for like home edits, and this is it for me. So I had ordered this online, and it actually got here when we were in Cape Town, so they dropped it off by concierge. And yeah, I only picked it up when you got back, and I just couldn't wait, guys. My baby. So I decided to get the bean to cup espresso machine, and we've been on the market for like getting an espresso coffee machine for a minute, and Theo literally is a coffee person, like coffee head, and he was like, we are going espresso, real espresso machine or nothing. So Smeg definitely fits our aesthetic in this house, and I'm so happy with it, guys. I've been making coffee galore. So this is basically the box. We've obviously already unboxed and tested out the machine, and we were very happy with it. And because I already knew that we were getting the machine and it was already delivered to the house, I also just opted, if you guys already saw the Cape Town vlog, we went to Bootlegger and we got ourselves beans. So that's what we're using right now, and these are so good, right? We're enjoying them as well, but of course our normal style, we have to go overboard with everything. So we decided to shop around for more beans, and then we decided to get this Rwanda bean from Motherland Coffee Company. So yeah, this is the one that we decided to get. And then we also stopped by Seattle, because Seattle is my fave. Like, I die for Seattle. Like, Seattle coffee is everything. So we also got Seattle coffee beans, and can't wait to try these out. Haven't opened these yet, so we're gonna definitely try these out as well. And then of course, if you guys can also see with the good Lego coffee beans, we got this coffee bin clipper. And sorry guys, just got distracted because I wanted to show you all the colors. So we got these from at home, and I think these were such a perfect buy and steal. I hope you guys can see them. We've got, it comes in the black one, then the silver one, and then this bronze one right here. And I just feel like they are beautiful. They're stunning. The brand is Barista & Co. And these clippies are so durable. They're so sturdy and good quality as well. And just feel like I can actually use these for like multiple things, like just also clipping your chips or lays. I just feel like they're multifunctional, and I'm very happy with them. And for now, they are serving their purpose. And of course, I'm gonna be buying more beans and stuff, because we are gonna be in our coffee bean era in this house, and we're gonna be enjoying them so much. So yeah, basically that's it. I just wanted to show you guys that, and just also make a little quick, basically iced latte with you. And then yeah, that's about it. And then we are gonna catch up a bit later as well. So let me enjoy my drink, and then figure out my life basically, and then you guys will chat.
You're that one.
Guys, this is amazing. This is so amazing. So Theo just made me the Spanish latte. He said he added a bit of a twist, so he added spicy chai to this. And mans can work at Starbucks. Hey, look at this presentation as well. The caramel, the whipped cream. He literally can make it in working in Starbucks. But anyway, enough of that. I just wanted to give you a little update of what's been happening so far. I know I didn't vlog this part last night. So yeah, It's Me Tools invited us for dinner basically. It was in collaboration with Besos restaurant, and oh, what a sweetheart, what a lovely human, and thank you so much for the invite, or just extending the invite as well. Had an absolutely amazing night. Like, it was just great vibes. Met a lot of people that came through as well. It was just an amazing night. Had such great conversations at our table. Met Bushe as well. Like, it was just such great vibes, man. I really enjoyed that, and thank you so much for the invite. And I know I didn't vlog that part because wanted to be in the moment as well, and just I don't know, man, I just didn't get a chance to vlog it. And of course my videographer as well, my videographer was shy to vlog apparently, because I don't know why. But yeah, man, I'm glad that I didn't actually, because I was just very present in the moment. I enjoyed the conversations that were going around on the table. We had so much fun. It was just epic. And of course, if you don't follow me on Instagram, then you wouldn't have seen the stories. I was mainly posting on Instagram, and that was so much fun. So please do check out my Instagram as well, because there were like professional photographers there as well, and they were taking bunch of pictures. So I've uploaded on my Instagram, and I think they came out so cute. I'm very camera shy, contrary to most beliefs, but yeah, the pictures are there. Just check them out, go to my Instagram, and just show my pictures some love as well. And I definitely also recommend you guys going to try out the restaurant. It's such a cute, cozy place as well. It is just beautiful. The vibes, I can just see it in summer, guys. Like, it is just gorgeous. And the food was amazing. Those nachos, guys, there's so much. I enjoyed the entire evening. The food was amazing. The service was great. Like, everything was just spectacular. And Tools, my god, the best host ever, honestly. But yeah, that's about it, guys, that I wanted to like do a little chit chat about. And I'm just sad that I actually didn't vlog, because it was actually an amazing night. But anyway, that's done. And actually, just after this drink, I probably want to pop into the mall and just get a few things. I do want to actually get an extra pack of those coffee bean clips. I think they are amazing, so I just want to go grab that, and then a few things as well. And yeah, we'll catch up when I get back. But for now, I'm just gonna enjoy my drink. It's going, hey, it's going down. I'm back. As I said earlier that I was going to step out for a bit, decided to change into jeans, and I'm going to go quickly grab a few things that I did want. Specifically, I want those clips for the beans, and then I'll figure out whatever else I need when I'm out. But yep, this is basically me, my little errand run look, comfortable in my New Balance. So yeah, this is basically it. I'll catch you guys in a bit. Mwah.
Girl, I get the money with him, make you mine, oh. If you're loving every night, him make you mad, oh. Now only you give me love and make me nice, oh, nice, oh, nice, oh. I feel make you mine, oh. But I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Think that I love you every day. Diamond dancing, use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay. It ain't making money, J's. I feel you do this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I go pay. For your love, I go play. You got a psycho, you can drop it psycho. Baby, if you lazy, I go drop it psycho. Baby, if you dirty, don't make me mad. Make you sing to the mic. Yeah, you are that looking in your eyes. Show you many things you can utilize. If I say I love you, then I tell you like so. Show you everything that I have tonight. True that, make you utilize. Yeah, look when we talk, we go revive. Give you many things, we put them make you dance. Yeah, make you back up with the standing mic. It's going and he never call you back. You should leave him. Let me put some money in your bag. You don't need what I mean is if he do you bad. Or it ain't where you been, girl, it's where you at. Where you at? And I love you every day. Diamond dancing, use my money, I go pay. For your love, I go pay.
So I'm back, CDs, and I decided to go get the spicy chai concentrate, which is right here. I realized that it's probably gonna go very quick, considering that I'm gonna be making a lot of those ice coffee lattes. And then while I was there, I also picked up syrup, caramel syrup, and then also went to the bakery, Dough & Co. in Parkhurst. Got some olive ciabatta. They are so soft. Like, I've never ate ciabatta that is so soft inside, and they're really amazing. And I've been going there for a few times in the past week, and I definitely recommend that you try them out. It's a small little cute bakery in Parkhurst, so do that. And then I also decided to pass by at home and get the clips that I was talking about earlier. So nothing to really talk about because it's literally the same thing. I just felt like I need more of them, and yeah, that's about it. So I'm back home. I'm just gonna relax for a bit, and I doubt that I'm probably gonna speak to you again, but if I do, we'll see. So let me just pack away all of these things and then just relax for a few. All dressed up. I'm wearing this nice green sweater dress basically, which is high knee boots, and I'm gonna meet up with my girl for literally Sundowners. So I am heading out to Rosebank now, and then I doubt I'm gonna vlog much, like talk, but if I do, that's great. We'll see how the evening goes. But yeah, I'm gonna head out now, and this is basically my look. Very simple, very laid back. I think it's very cute. I'm not sure if I should add like a gold belt to it, but let me try it out. Let me add a gold belt to it, and then if it works, great. So yeah. Okay, I'm back, and I'm just going to show you quickly. So this is how it looks with the little belt added on. I think I'm going to leave the belt on. It's adding a bit of definition to the outfit. And yeah, anyway, let me dash because she's going to get there very soon, and I don't like keeping anyone waiting. So
Hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now. Put me in the mood. I'm talking loud, dark room, perfume. Go.
I recognize the fragrance. Hold up, you ain't never gonna say shit. And I know you taste it's a little bit high maintenance. Everybody else basic. You live life on an everyday basis with poetic justice. Poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs dedicated to you, and you're in the booth for empathy, blood in my pen. Better yet, with your friends and them. I really wanna know you all. I really wanna show you off. Fucked up, oh, I plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you touch this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bit range. I heard that. She wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that they get game on is sorry. They say conversation through the nation. I can tell, but I can never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S. 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 You can get it, you can get it, you can get it, you can get it.
hey CDs, so we had Radisson Red. Radisson Red. So we caught the sun because we were coming here for Sundowners anyway. And well, I'm so sorry. You just said the craziest thing ever. But yeah, He said the craziest thing ever. Now I can't stop laughing, but I've committed to actually updating you guys. So we just got our cocktails and we did catch the sun. Obviously now it's all set and it's dark and we just gonna be having cocktails. But one thing I must say, guys, the cocktails, hey, like they need to do better. Like especially for like a whole rooftop setting, they just need to do better with their drinks and how their presentation is. They, oh yeah, guys, no, I'm not impressed, but definitely love the vibes that they have going on. But yeah, anyway, I'm probably not gonna vlog for the rest of the night because I'm gonna be enjoying my girl. We're gonna be having a lot of fun, and then I'm probably gonna see you guys tomorrow or when I get home. But yeah, anyway, love you loads. Hope you guys are enjoying. Please don't forget to like this video. Don't skip ads, please. Love you.
Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my Tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my ex-strippers, new killers, shot, tell them, just on Donda, on my mama, made a promise, Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my all summer, all summer, $4-5 in pajamas, they piranhas, buy out the stolen hours, like we planned it. Junior watching, I be on my Junior watching, I be on my tell him this, did he miss? Junior watching, I be on my I can't really see where did I miss. Junior watching, I be on my 4-5 sums.
Hey sweeties, it's a brand new day and your girl is all ready to leave the house. So what I'm doing today is getting my face portraits done by OK Majosi, which I'm so excited for. He was one of the photographers at the night out at Besos, and he hit me up and said, can I take portraits of your face and stuff? And I was like, sure thing, you know. So I'm very, very excited for that, and hopefully they're gonna turn out very pretty. But yeah, man, that's what I'm getting up to today, and I'm definitely taking you guys along with me. And yeah, we'll see how the day actually rolls over. But other than that, that's what I have planned for today. I just need to finish up, and then I'm going to show you guys my full outfit by the mirror, and then we can go. So hope you guys will enjoy that, and I do hope you guys are enjoying the video so far, and don't forget to like, of course. So let's head out. So I am done. Like I said, this is basically me showing you my full outfit of the day. I didn't really prioritize actually putting an outfit together because it's just literally pictures of my face, and yeah, so this is it. But I am loving this leather bodysuit that I have on. I feel like it is so cute. But anyway, this is me, and I'm ready to leave. I'm gonna catch you guys when I catch you basically, and then we'll figure out our day. So hope everyone is having a great day so far whenever you're watching this. So yeah, I've arrived to my photo shoot. quickly doing like face shots and stuff. So I'm gonna catch you guys when I'm done, and I hope this is gonna be fun. So hey.
If you're loving every night, you make you mad. Now only you give me love and make me nice, nice, nice. I feel make you mine. When I love you, plus I never make you minus. If I let you smoke it, you gon' lose my lighter. If you paranoid, then I'ma spend the night. Think that I love you every day. Diamond dance with you, my money I gon' pay. For your love, I gon' pay. It ain't making money, chase. I feel this for you every day. When you call, run it back on replay. For your love, I gon' pay. For your love.
That's a wrap. I'm just done with my shoot with AK my jersey. That was very cool. I enjoyed that experience. So yeah, man, let me leave and then we will chat when I get home. So love you.